Vegas Image is part of the Vegas Post suite and comes with a wide range of features that allow you to create pro-level composite imagery, including unlimited layers, automatic keying for green screen photography, and zero baked-in changes for full flexibility. Let's take a look at the new features available in the Vegas Image release. With the HDR merging feature, you can have multiple images taken at different exposures and combine them for a more dynamic lighting result. If you click on each layer, you can see the individual image, and clicking on the group above will show you the composite. You can add masks and effects to this merge just like any other layer to get it looking just right. A new focus stacking feature helps capture moments in full clarity by combining several different focus points into one. It's the same concept as HDR merging, but the result is an image that is completely in focus. You can now have different font options in a single text layer. This means you have a paragraph or a sentence of text, and have the ability to change pretty much any aspect of specific words in that layer. So you could have different words be different fonts, colors, sizes, have smaller or bigger spacing or various alignments, and create all kinds of variety in a single layer. A new clone stamp and a healing brush effect make it really easy to fix imperfections in your scene, and they function in a very similar way. When you add either effect to your layer, your mouse will turn into a brush. Use the scroll wheel or the number up top to change the size. Hold Shift and scroll to change the feathering. Both effects work by first selecting a source point by holding the Alt key and clicking. When the source is set, you can see it on screen and then begin painting. The clone stamp will make a direct copy of your source. The healing brush will only take the texture from the source and will use the color from wherever you're painting, which makes it a more subtle effect fit for blemishes on skin. The new dynamic contrast effect allows you to add different amounts of contrast to 3 different levels of detail. The small slider will have the appearance of sharpening the fine details, while the large slider will create a chunkier sort of look, and the medium slider will affect the details between those two. A new split toning effect lets you subtly add different colored tones to the shadows and highlights of your image. You can choose to have the colors locked together so that they're complementary, or separate them to move them individually. The gray dot in the middle is the saturation for whichever tone you have selected. You can now open Vegas Image projects as media inside of Vegas Pro. If you make an edit to the image project and save, it'll be updated inside of Pro, making it quick and easy to make adjustments throughout the life of your project.